In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your Salon Booking System edition from the free version to the pro version. Let's say you have just purchased the pro version of Salon Booking on our official website, and you choose one of these subscription plans. Okay? Now, what you have to do? Firstly, you need to log in into our official website using the credential you created during the checkout of the license purchase, and use them to log in into your personal account. Okay. Now, once logged in, go to add-ons section and click here to download the pro version of Salon Booking. Okay. Go back to your own website, and let's say you have already the free version of Salon Booking. Then you need to deactivate. You will not lose your data as they are stored inside your website, your WordPress database. Okay, so you have deactivated the free version, and now you are gonna install the pro version that you have just downloaded from our website. Okay, let's install. Activate. Okay, now the last step, once the plugin has been activated, you need to activate your license. So go back to your personal account on our website. Okay, here click on license tab. Okay, copy this key and paste it here. That's it. Thank you for your attention.